girls, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to hop on here and share with you a little bit about I know that the iPhone had an update, the iOS 14. So I am going to share with you on how, I don't know why it keeps closing out, on how I updated mine and set up my home page or my home screen. So I have that here. So it has a lot of different options. I did mine more in like pinks, but I did put a little calendar up here with a scripture, and then I don't know if you can see all of my little apps. I changed them, and then I have my blog name there, baseball, and then I have some pictures, some cute little photos. These are my babies, and then my other apps right there. But the two apps that you're gonna have to download are these two right here, which is Widgetsmith and then Color Widgets. There you go. So download those two, and as soon as you download those, I'm gonna go ahead and put the screen up here so you can see what I'm doing. But once you download that, you're going to go, for me, I ended up putting like this. I just downloaded a background picture, hoping you can see it. It's just like the ocean. It's like a pink photo, so I put that in the background. And I'm sure you all know how to change your background screen saver. So once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and go to Color Widgets. So this is my screen right here. This is the first page. I do have like the calendar, all my apps, and then right here I have more apps, my blog name, and a couple more photos on this side over here as well. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and go to Color Widgets. Once you go to Color Widgets, they have tons of different options that you can do. I chose this first one, and what you do, all you do is you can either set, well, you're gonna set the widget, and once you hit set widget, it'll go to, well, mine, I already have mine set up, but let's pretend you don't. So you're gonna click it. Well, that one will, you can either edit it, or once you click it, it'll give you the option to add a photo on there. So it'll give you, yeah, like this option. You can choose a small one, which is the first one, the second one, which is the medium, which is the one that I have on my screen, or the third one, which is a large one. And you can add a photo, put whichever photo you want on there, different colors, background, the themes, the fonts, and then it just gives you different options at the bottom. And so once you do that, then you just choose your widget. So let me change this because I didn't. Back into your widgets. So mine is this medium one. So you're just gonna hit add photo, and let's see if it's gonna let me put it back the way it was. So I had this one, edit widget, add photo. I wanted this one right here. You're just gonna kind of put it where you want it. Choose, that looks good. Set widget. And then once you see that check mark, you're just gonna go back to your screen and it should automatically change like that. So that's how I set that up, and you can choose the different fonts however you like. So that's how I set mine up, and I'll show you how to like add the photos and all the other, well, the photos is kind of similar. It's the same way depending on how big or small you want the photos. Like on this first one, I have a small, and then the middle one is the medium, where it has my blog name, and then the Vogue Strike a Pose, that's small, and then this big photo is the large. So how you do that, you go back into Widgetsmith, and it's gonna give you the option for a small widget, medium, or large. And so for the small, you just click that and you tap on the default widget, and then it'll give you an option. You can either have the time, the date, customize it, which is what I did, and I just put my photo in there and uploaded it. They give you different options where you can choose, like so, but I chose that one, so that's how mine turned out, like this. So now you're gonna set up your little icons. So what I did, I went ahead and went in to like my Pinterest, and what I did, I went ahead and just typed in pink icons, and for me doing that, I just took snapshots of different pink pictures that I wanted. And so what I did for you guys, I'll link in the description box my Pinterest account, and I pinned them, and it's under iOS 14 home screen icons, which is right here. And these are all the pins that I chose or debated on using on my phone, right here. And there's plenty that you can use. But okay, so once I did that, I just uploaded them, saved them on my photos. And then what you do, you go to the icons. Part of it does take a while. I'm not gonna lie. It took me forever and a day, but, well, not really. It probably took me like 3 hours to do, but it's just having to like upload and put everything in. So, and I'll do a couple of them just so you can get the hang of it, because there aren't any videos out there that actually show you, they just kind of tell you. So let's go ahead. So I'm here on my home screen. I'm gonna put my screen up here for you guys to do this with me. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and search shortcuts. You're gonna click on shortcuts, and then at the top of the right screen, you're gonna click the plus, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna hit add to action, and then you're gonna type in open app. Then you're gonna scroll down and click open app, and then once you go to open, on that choose button, you're gonna choose which app you want. So let's go ahead and do Bible. Once you click Bible, you're gonna go ahead and click the 3 dots. You're gonna go ahead and click the 3 dots on the top right corner. You're gonna type in whatever you want it to say on your screen. So I'm just gonna leave it Bible. So then you click add to home screen, and then at the bottom, which is the one that has the X, you're gonna go ahead and X that out, and then you're gonna type in Bible, and then you're going to click the icon, and it gives you the option to choose a photo, choose file. I'm gonna go ahead and choose the photo. And then you just click on which picture you want, the photo you want. So you just go to, like, here are all the photos that I saved. So you're just gonna pick the one that you want for that icon. And for me, I chose right here. And you just kind of like, you know, size it the way you want it, choose, and then hit add. And once it's added to the home screen, it's gonna be there. So I have it right there. I actually have it in two places because I'm showing you how to do it. So let's do it again. You're just gonna go to shortcuts. You're gonna hit that plus button on the top, and then you're gonna hit add action, and then you're gonna type in open app. Then you're gonna scroll down to actions and then click on open app. You're gonna choose the app that you wanna do. Let's try camera. And once you hit camera, you're gonna hit the three dots on the top right corner. Then you're gonna put camera or whatever you want to name it as, and then hit add to home screen. Then you're gonna write the name in again, which is camera or whatever you want it to be. Then tap the picture that you typed the word out on, and then you can choose your photo. So then you're gonna choose the camera, which is this one right here. And you make it your size you want it. Choose, and then add, and then it's added to your home screen right there. So yeah, you can do a lot of things with it. And once your apps, because your apps are still going to be on there, like some of these I haven't fully moved to my app library. But like if you wanted to remove it, like these, I'm still trying to, I'm gonna make different icons for these. But if you wanna remove it, all you're gonna do is just hit like App Store, hit remove app, and then you're gonna remove from the home screen just to clean it up, and it's all gonna be still in your app library like so. But yeah, that's it. That's pretty much how you do it. For the photos, let me see if I can show you guys how I do my photos. So for your photos, you're gonna go to Widgetsmith, and I think I did show you. So it'll give you the option to do small, medium, or large. Let's just try a small one. So you're gonna hit add small. So it's gonna add another one that's not being in use. So you click on that one, then you tap default widget. And then for me, I can add a different photo. And then you choose your photo you want. So let's say I want this one. So you chose your photo, so you're gonna hit that. Then you're gonna go back, and then you're just gonna click on the top right corner, which is save. And then once you do that, you're gonna clear out, and then you're gonna hold down, like let's say I'm gonna put it on this screen, you're gonna hold down the screen until everything starts wiggling. Then on the top right corner, you're gonna hit plus, then you're gonna go to Widgetsmith, hit small, and then add widget. And then you can click on your widget, and then you can edit them. You just click on the small number 3, and then these are all the small widgets that I have. So you just choose 5, and then it'll pop up on the photo you want, and you can move it wherever you want on the screen, however you want to customize it. It's so fun to do. Like I said, it took me a little bit longer than expected just because I wanted to a certain way, but I thought it came out super cute. That's it. Like I said, I went ahead and pinned all of my icons as well as some of the pink photos that I saved on for my home screen on my phone. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share with you guys on how I did mine. I thought it was super cute. I thought it came out fun and just real chic. And also when you are opening up the apps, let me show you what it does. So here we are, and let's say you want to go to like let's see where we want to go. To Instagram, and you see how it kind of gives you that it's like a little bit of a lag when you do open up your app. It's not a big deal for me, but what it, okay, so like I said, what it's gonna do, it's gonna lag before it actually opens up the app, which it's not that big a deal for me. And it takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you do it, it should be fun. I mean, it should be fine. So let's go to Pinterest, see how it kind of goes to the shortcut mode, and then it opens up the actual app. But that's it, you guys. I just wanted to get on here and share that with you guys. I know there wasn't a lot of videos out there, so I wanted to help you guys out as much as I could. And if you want to go check out my pins, go ahead, and I should have them in the description box below where you can go check them out at. But that's it. I hope everyone's doing great and staying safe. But until next time, we'll see you in the next video.